What's up, Brent for Brenspeed? Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Today, it's a 19 GT350R model for, guess what? You know, Whipple supercharger. Hey, if you love Whipples, you love GT350s, stick around to the end. I will put a link that you can click on to see tons of GT350 videos. And if you haven't, please subscribe and notified. We're going to watch a dyno pull. We're going to look at the engine compartment. We're going to talk about the mods on this car. So stick around, let's check it out. Okay, so what do we have going on today with the 19 GT350? Of course, it's the Whipple supercharger. I have Doug with me in a second. We're gonna go down, take a look. I'll tell you everything we did to this. It's what we call our standard recipe, but it's the Whipple supercharger kit running the Whipple calibration, 93 octane pump gas. Doug, take a look. So we have the Gen 5 Whipple supercharger. You gotta love this kit. They make so much power. You're basically guaranteed over 700 roll horsepower every time, even on a stock car. We also have a set of stainless works long tube headers. We did do the billet, oil pump gears, and sprocket. All the cooling mods as always. That's a standard recipe. So big radiator, rear cylinder head cooling kit, as well as a cooler thermostat. But a couple other mods on this one right here. We did do a DSS carbon fiber drive shaft, as well as a McLeod RXT clutch. This car did come in from 1,100 miles away, so we wanted to add a couple other options like that for some reliability. Check out this dyno pull. All right, man, that pull is awesome. Ran it up to 8,200 RPM, Dynojet SAE, 750 roll horsepower. I'm excited about that. I'll tell you why in a second. Torque came in 582, peaking out at about 5,500 RPM. So again, 750 is a good target to be with the Whipple kit, with the Whipple calibration. But honestly, here in Indiana today, it's the very end of July. It's super hot. We're about 90 degrees. It's crazy humid. I wasn't sure if we would get there. And what's cool is this client made a comment, I'm really hoping for 750 the tires. And what, we were at 750.78. So that was awesome. I'm happy about that. GT350R, like I said, 2,000 miles on this. It's a 19. You gotta love these, my all-time favorite Mustang. Doug, let's walk up here, take another look at the engine compartment. You have a GT350 and you want to do something, you know, that just runs really good. You still get decent gas mileage. You want to add a few hundred horsepower to your Mustang. This is a really good option right here. It's the Gen 5 Whipple supercharger. It's a really sweet setup. I definitely approve it. If you wonder, hey, what's it cost to get something like this built? Or maybe you have a normal GT, or maybe you have something else, maybe like an F-150. You simply email quote@brenspeed.com. And then in that description, I will put links to all these parts I just told you about, because you might have more questions. You can just go in that description, click on it, read a lot more about it. So that's pretty much it for today. Another awesome GT350. Again, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify to watch tons of dyno videos I do here at Brenspeed every single week. Leave that comment. Thanks for watching.